Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw XRP from Binance to bank account. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the wallet section. Once at the overview, scroll to the spot so you have a look at your XRP. And with your XRP available on your wallet, simply head back to the home icon, click on the convert option. Now we're going to be converting our XRP into the USDT, and we can do this by clicking on the USDT icon, selecting the XRP, and where it says to, select the USDT, and click on max, and click on preview conversion, and click on convert. So guys, we've successfully converted our XRP into the USDT. All we need to do now is quite simple. Head over to the wallet icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. We'll drop at the spot wallet. We have our USDT. Click on this transfer icon here and simply click on Bitcoin, select the USDT. And as you can see here, the detail of the transfer is from the spot wallet to the funding. So simply click on max and click on confirm transaction and click on confirm transfer. Now, once the transfer has been made, scroll over to the funding wallet, reload the funding account or wallet. Once you've done this, click on the P2P icon that's here. Simply click on the profile menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once there, click on the payment method option, click on add a payment method. Please note that adding a payment method depends on your region, as each payment method is unique to each region. So once you've added a payment method, head back to the home section, click on the sell menu. By clicking sell, make sure you're using the USDT tab, not the Bitcoin or FDUSD. The USDT tab is where we're working with. And all you need to do now is simply scroll through and select sell with any of the various merchants. So once you've selected the sell option, your payment method is going to be highlighted, and you can click on this and select any of your available payment methods. Click on all and simply click on sell with zero fee. So by doing this, you've successfully withdrawn your XRP from Binance and into your bank account. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.